Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, this is for adults. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to find all the photos that you want of these videos. What's up you guys, it's ZacJacDan back with another Every video. This time we're talking about Every Saban's Power Rangers from Hasbro, the Lightning Collection. So Wave 1 came out April 2019, consisted of 4 figures. We had the Mighty Morphin White Ranger. It's really cool because each one of these actually come with the helmet and the head and all their weapons. Also they come with alternate hands as well. You also had Mighty Morphin Lord Zed. You had s.p.d. Shadow Ranger. I love this alternate head with the dragon or dog looking face that it has. You had the Dino Charge Red Ranger. So then Wave 2 released August 2019. Again, we got 4 more figures. Really concerned that when Hasbro took over from Bandai that they didn't put any kind of build-a-figure pieces or build a Megazord piece or anything like that in these boxes. Not sure why they did that. They should have tried to outdo what Bandai had done. But in this Wave 2, you had the Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger with her bow. You had the Last Galaxy Magna Defender. The Beast Morphers Red Ranger. And you had the Beast Morphers Gold Ranger. So Wave 3 was supposed to be released December 2019, but it came out early, came out October 2019. Again, consisted of 4 figures. We had the Mighty Morphin Red Ranger. You have the Dino Charge Gold Ranger. You have the Beast Morphers Blue Ranger. You had the Mighty Morphin Lord Draken. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce that right. Wave 4 was supposed to come out in March 2020, but it actually released early, and you can go to Hasbro Pulse right now and pre-order it. Again, 4 figures. Mighty Morphin Yellow Ranger. Zeo Blue Ranger. s.p.d. Red Ranger. Beast Morphers Cybervillian Blaze. So we know what Wave 5 was going to consist of. Coming out June 2020, we had the Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger, Zeo Gold Ranger, Time Force Red Ranger, and Ranger Slayer. And they just showed us these figures now at 2020 Toy Fair, so here they come. So here's the Time Force Red Ranger. You see the face sculpt technology they have, the weapons that he comes with. Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger, his face with the glasses. Zeo Gold Ranger, so this is our second time getting him. This time we got the face sculpt technology that comes with him. First time he was an SDCC exclusive. And then the Mighty Morphin Ranger Slayer. Comes with a bow and arrows. Pretty cool looking. And of course, Wave 6 was leaked. And somehow they were showing up on somebody's laptop here. Actually physically laying on someone's laptop. So for some odd reason, we are getting a new Goldar. We're getting the Mighty Morphin Black. We're getting the Zeo Red, and we're getting the In-Space Yellow.
So here is the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Black Ranger with his axe. I know a lot of people got in the Walgreens exclusive and ripped off the Dragon Shield to try to make themselves the Mighty Morphin Black Ranger. And here he is in package and with his promotional. Also in Wave 6 we have the Space Ranger Yellow. And here is the In-Space Yellow Ranger in package and with her promotional art. We have the Zeo Red Ranger. And as I said, they re-releasing the Goldar figure. And this time he does not have the wings, but he does have an extra plasma effect on his sword. So maybe GameStop exclusive for the Goldar wasn't found a lot, so people were seeking the Goldar still. So maybe this is actually something good for people. And here is that Goldar in package and with the promotional image. And here is Wave 7 with the Mighty Morphin Z-Putty. You also have the Mighty Morphin Green Ranger with his maskless head. This is the evil Green Ranger. And then you have the Dino Thunder Red Ranger. So like I said, here is the Dino Thunder Red Ranger. Got his gun and his sword, and of course his unmasked head sculpt. Also he's got this staff, and then he's got the flame effect for his sword. Here he is in package, front and back of the package. Good look at that unmasked head sculpt and the staff, and also the sword with the flame effect. Next we have the Mighty Morphin Green Ranger. This is the villainous version. You see he's got his knife or his dagger and also his sword. Unmasked head sculpt with the headband. There's the front and the back of the box. The sword with that power effect on it. And then we got the Mighty Morphin Z-Putty. And this guy has all kinds of attachments that you can put on him. Got the red one that can go in his rocked fist. Got the blue one that can go on his chest. There's the package front and back. Shows both the attachments on him. There's some more pictures of the attachments. And then we have the Target Spectrum series. So these are the boxes for these Wave 7 figures. Specifically, you see, looking down at the Power Rangers logo itself, has a more shiny metallic look to it. And they are going to re-release the Mighty Morphin White Ranger in this Wave 7. New packaging. So it'll be interesting to see how the distribution for these Target exclusives will go. So here is Wave 8 of the Power Rangers Lightning Collection from Hasbro. We have the Lost Galaxy Red Ranger. We have the S.p.d. Pink Ranger, the Zeo Green Ranger, and the Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. Here they all are with their masks off, or helmets off. Face sculpting's So here is that Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. Mask on and off. Close up of it in the box. Comes with the shield, the sword, the blaster, the blast effect on the sword. That's pretty awesome. There's the front, side, and the back of the package. Here's the Lost Galaxy Red Ranger. Comes with this awesome bazooka with a blast effect. Front, side, back of the package. Zeo Green Ranger. Comes with his blaster with a blast effect that can go in the blaster or on the end of his sword. And that awesome axe he's got there. 2 axes, I should say. Front back side of the package. And the s.p.d Pink Ranger. Comes with a sword and a dagger and a blaster. The blaster hooks on the side of her belt there. You can see her helmet there is pretty awesome looking as well. There's the side and the front of the package. Promotional art from Big Bad and Entertainment Earth. So we've got a lot of exclusives as well. Here's a great list of all the exclusives, and we'll go over them here one by one as well. If you want to pause it and check out this list, see what you got. But we'll go through the list here in a second.
So here is the SDCC. Here's one of the online retailer exclusives. Gave you the Fighting Spirit Green Ranger and the Mighty Morphin Putty. Here's that GameStop exclusive Mighty Morphin Goldar. Another online exclusive, the Lost Galaxy Red Ranger and the In-Space Psycho Red Ranger. Another GameStop exclusive is the In-Space Psycho Blue Ranger. And then the Walgreens exclusive Dragon Shield Black Ranger.
So I'm not sure about you guys, but here is the 25th wedding anniversary of Lord Zed and Rita. This is going to be a GameStop exclusive 2-pack. And a lot of you guys already got Lord Zed. Some of you guys could never find him. So maybe that would be an exciting pickup for you guys. $50 for the 2-pack at GameStop. This is a first soft goods that we've seen in this line. So let me know what y'all think about how Rita looks. I'm not going to give my opinion unless you comment, but I do have an opinion.
So first announcement is our third Psycho In-Space Ranger. This is the Green Ranger. It is $19.99, available July 15th, 2020. And this will be a Hasbro Pulse exclusive, so you better get out there and do a pre-order on it if you want to get this guy. Also announced during the Fan First Friday is the Putty 2-pack, which is $29.99. Really good price for a 2-pack. Coming out in August 2020. Has new attachments on it, more colorful to them. Get you an army building for the Putty Patrol. Here's the back of the box. Also a 2-pack is the Mighty Morphin Zordon and Alpha 5. Alpha 5 comes with his little bear, and Zordon lights up. That little button on the front. Again, $29.99 for 2-pack. Comes out in August. This will be a Walmart exclusive.
Not 100% sure if this is true or not, but this is an Amazon exclusive. 2020 SDCC exclusive for the In-Space Psycho Rangers 5-pack. We have the black, yellow, red, pink, and blue Rangers. They have their weapons and some electric effects coming off their fingers. Not a bad box set. But also as a Amazon exclusive, we have the s.p.d Omega Ranger and his Uniforce Cycle vehicle.
Pretty cool looking cycle here for him. I know what you guys think about this if you're going to pick up the s.p.d. Amazon exclusive here.
So here's the Walgreens exclusive Dino Thunder White Ranger. And he did come with a head sculpt that not everybody was excited about. So Hasbro is going to send you a new head sculpt if you want it. So you can look at the top right hand corner there with the flame effect and you'll see that new head sculpt. Got his sword and this crazy lightning effect going on with him. And the second one is the Dino Charge Black Ranger.
But just announced for SDCC 2020, the Power Rangers Lightning Collection exclusive will be available on Hasbro Pulse in September for pre-order. It's the Lord Dracon Evolution number 3. Got all this lightning going on, all the helmets. Some of these images here that they have. You see his face has got all kinds of veins sticking out through it. And here's the box that goes around the other box. And a comic that comes with it, I guess, called Shattered Grid. And then I'll kind of roll into what has all happened for the Lightning Collection here with my every Power Rangers Lightning Collection video.
And here's a great shot of him with all his accessories, the lightning effect all around him, the Rangers helmets destroyed around the lightning effect. Awesome. And then we jumped into a Power Rangers Fan First Friday event that gave us a few actual images of figures that we knew about, and then some extra stuff here we'll talk about. We have the monsters. And these are the big guys. These are the villains. The first one we get is the King Sphinx. These guys will be 7 inches tall. Nicer look at him a little bit closer up. Got different hand sculpts. Got his tail coming off, his wings, his staff there with question marks all over it. So here he is in his box, and there he is with his loose from his box. There he is with his staff, and then with the staff question marks around it. You see the wings and the tail in the sky. Next one we have is the pumpkin wrapper. And with the pumpkin wrapper, all those little helmets right there will actually fit over top of the Rangers' heads, or bodies I should say. So pretty cool. So here he is in his box. Here he is loose beside the box. You see all the accessories it comes with, the lasso, the pumpkins. And you can see how they use the pumpkins on top of the Rangers and the putty head. Next one it has a versus 2-packs here. And the first versus 2-pack we had was from the s.p.d. B Squad versus the A Squad Blue Rangers. So here's that s.p.d. Blue Ranger 2-pack box. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not really sure about this head sculpt, but you guys let me know. So here's the A Squad with his gun and his blast effect that comes out of the gun. Next 2-pack we have is the brother and sister split at birth. One good, one evil in Space Red Ranger versus Astronomer. So here's the box for it. Probably the best head sculpt I've seen on any of these Lightning Collection figures. I love this face sculpt they did here. And then there's his sister. Got him in battle here, so that's pretty awesome. But that's it for all the new reveals of the Fan Channel Friday for the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. 2 packs and the deluxe figures. Next thing we have is the metallic armor power-up. We got the Pink Ranger all metallic. Got new head sculpting technology. Face printing technology, that is. And if you look at the packaging, you'll see this great glittery look that they have on it here, front and back. You'll see all her accessories she comes with and her bow, the shooting effect, or with just the arrow. And this is a Hasbro Pulse exclusive.
And also $49.99 for this, coming out in August. The Power Morpher with light up effects, put in different coins, lights of different colors. Walmart exclusive, I said, I believe.
So we also, in this line, October 2019, got the Mighty Morphin White Ranger replica helmet.
So we have a newly announced Mighty Morphin Red Ranger helmet from the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, coming in 2020.
Also, there is a reveal of the Mighty Morphin Dragon Dagger that you can get, full-size replica. So go back and check out my other videos showing every Power Rangers Lightning Collection. Check out the card above. And they all are in package.
So here is my most wanted list or wish list for the Power Rangers Lightning Collection. I think I'd love to see some villains like Lothar from Ninja Storm, Rito Revolto from Mighty Morphin, Nesso God from Dino Thunder, Dark Spectre from In Space, Turkina from Lost Galaxy, or Omni the Magnificent from s.p.d. What you guys think? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this Power Rangers video. Leave any kind of comments, hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out my other Every videos. More Power Rangers will be coming soon. And I'll talk to you guys later.
Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find all the photos that you want of these videos.